Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to put some hot steam on the floors that's in the family room. I decided that I wanted to pick up everything off the floor, and I'm going to show you guys how I sanitize and disinfect our floors. I basically do this to our whole house, but today I decided I'm going to actually pick up those rugs, the carpet pad, everything, and sanitize for real. So if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned.
Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so.
The first thing we have to do is take this couch apart. The couch actually hooks together, the sectional, and what we have to do is unhook that, take it apart, and then we're going to lift it back. That way we can pick up the carpet and everything like that. I have mentioned before that we did get this couch from a local furniture store called Home Zone. I'm sure they're in just a certain part of Texas, so if you're in Texas, I'm sure you can get it and they can deliver it to you. But this couch is probably the most comfortable couch that I have ever owned, and I love it. You guys, we have a theater and we spend a lot of our time down here just because these couches are so comfortable.
I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, babe. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
So I went ahead and vacuumed the whole carpet first so we won't be adding extra particles onto the floor because I got to sweep it anyway. And I'm looking at the carpet so I can put the link in the description box for you guys in case you guys are interested. And also I'm going to use the Swiffer because I want to get up any dust that is on the floor. I just want it to be very, very clean before I actually put this steamer on here and steam the floors.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. What I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe.
So what I am spraying on the floor is from a company called Rejuvenate. It's for all floors, hardwood laminate, just on every floor, and it's streak free and residue free. I love using this brand because it gets the floors really clean. And after I do that, I use the same brand and I use a wood floor restorer, and it fills in the scratches, it seals and protects. And this actually lasts a long time. And I don't like a high shine like what you see right now. I like it to be kind of dulled down. I don't want it to look like you can just ice skate on it, if that makes sense. I just want to make sure it has a little bit of a shine and just make it look nice and neat, because I do not like seeing scratches on my floor. But you guys know this is a shoe-free house, so we don't have a lot of that problem. But if you guys are interested in that, I will link it in the description box below. Oh, and real quick, because I know you guys are looking, we have on shoes, these shoes we only wear in our house. We don't wear these shoes outside because I don't like bringing in stuff from the outside.
Yo,
Sleeping all day, cheaping, rolling, 50, okay, about to lose it. it on, do you get tired? Ooh, baby, who got what? You the real one, I'm inspired. Baby, hey, G, when the night is time, put that name on. And do it all like it, baby, nice and slow. Yeah, baby, hey, G, when the night is I'm summertime, put that name on. And do it all like it, baby, nice and slow.
Having that carpet pad under this rug makes a world of a difference. So if you've never tried that, I would suggest getting a carpet pad, and it just feels good under your feet.
See your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
So now we're going to put the couches back down, and I'm going to put the shine on the floor. Of course, I'm not going to put it under the rug because nobody's going to see it, but you guys won't see that part because that actually does take a lot of time for me to do. You have to put a coat down, let it dry, and then another coat down, so that way the floor will actually get a little bit of a shine. So you guys, I am so excited. This just makes me feel good that I actually cleaned up under this carpet. I have not done that since we actually purchased the carpet.
It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me.
So you guys, as I was standing there waiting on Jason to kind of look at the rug and make sure it was all even, I felt like just plopping on the couch because it is so comfortable and fluffy. Look at the way it just bounces up. I love it. So I just wanted to do it.
If you with someone else, can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love,
guys, I am so happy I got this task done. I have been wanting to do this for a couple weeks now. I am so happy that you guys chose to click on my channel, and I appreciate all the support as always. It just makes me happy that you guys are here. To all my new subscribers, I just want to say welcome to the family, and until the next video, I'll see you in the comment section. Bye guys.